Hey everyone, I want to make a quick video to show how you can calculate your D bar as well as your S sub D, the standard deviation of those differences, if you do not have a calculator. So I've opened up just a blank Excel workbook, and the first thing I'm going to do is put these values in here the same way I had to enter them into the calculator. So now that I have my two columns of data entered in, I'm now going to subtract them. So for instance, here I've gone ahead and put an equal sign. I want to take the value in that cell and subtract from it the value in this cell. And I want to do that for all of them. So I'm going to just drag that down. Notice that my differences in column C do match the differences that we found in column D when we did this by hand. And what we need is we need two things. We need the average of those values to get our D bar, and then we need the standard deviation of those values to get our SD. So for the average of those values, I'm going to use the same average formula that we used towards the beginning of this course and average those. Notice that my D bar of negative 1.75 matches exactly what we found when we used this in the calculator. Next, I will calculate the sample standard deviation. So I'm making sure to choose stdev.s, and I want the sample standard deviation of these values here. And notice that this 2.12 does again match what we found as the sample standard deviation. So I wanted to insert this in case you do not have a calculator. You are able to calculate these values in Excel.